Hi everyone. Now I'm going to discuss on how to use the automated voting system. There are three users in the system. First is the admin, second is the COMELEC, and the third one is the student. Let's start first in admin. You need to log in using your access code. This is the admin homepage. These are the links inside admin. The COMELEC, interview, candidates, results, and election. You need to add account for admin in order for you to become one. So let's try add one. Once you finish adding your account, you can also edit it. Let's try to log out and use the access code that we already created. Here it is. The admin also are the one who can create the election. Let's create an election. Election date, start time, and end time. The admin can also add an account for COMELEC. These are the list of the COMELEC, and let's try to add one. After adding COMELEC account, let's now go to the COMELEC page. Let's use the access code that we created. And this is the home page of the COMELEC. These are the list or links inside COMELEC page. The approval, disapprove, voter, result, position, requirements, and party. COMELECs are the ones who will put the position. These are the position list. And let's try to add one. Position name and type. Once you select single in the election, you can only select one candidate in the election. And when you select multiple, the max number will appear. When you put 2 in the election day, you can only select 2 candidates in this position. Multiple are used for senators and etc. COMELEC are the ones who will put the requirements also. Same as the party. These are the list of the party. In the voter page, the student list are here. The COMELEC can upload a CSV file which contains student list. So let's try to upload one. CSV file has been successfully imported. Once the lists are uploaded, the student now can run as aspirant. Let's try to log out. The student now will log in using their school ID and a password. The COMELEC are the only one who will give the password to the student. And once already log in, you can change now your password so that when you log in again, you don't have to ask the password coming from the COMELEC. Password successfully updated. This is the home page, and as you can see the list of the candidates who are running in this election. This is the sample candidates. Now, the student can register as aspirants. Click the register and you will go to the registration form. After fill upping the form, just click apply. Applicants successfully saved. Once the submit button has been clicked, the COMELEC now will approve the form for the requirements. Approval for requirements. Once the requirements is not complete, you cannot proceed to the interview. Do you want to set this application for interview? Applicant has incomplete requirements, cannot proceed to the interview. So, when the requirements are completed and when you click the submit button, the applicants now can proceed to the interview. After approval for requirements, the admin now will interview the aspirant. This is the final phase for becoming a final candidate. This is the interview page. The admin will put a note if the aspirant passed on the interview. And then click the submit button. And now, the student are officially candidate. Let's go to the candidates, and these are the list of the candidates in this election. When the election day come and the start vote started, the student can now start voting. Just put your school ID and password. And go to Start vote, select the election name, and proceed. Just select your ideal candidate and click Submit button. After voting, you will be directed to the result page. Just select the election name and generate. Now you can see the result. I have 1 votes and 0 votes for Soliman. The COMELEC now will edit the candidate information and put a URL. I will get a sample embed URL from YouTube. And paste it in the candidate's information and click update. Successfully updated. Now, I will get the URL of every candidate that has a video inside. Go to the QR code generator and paste the URL. And click the Create QR code and then click again the Download. This is now a sample of QR code of every candidate. In mobile voting, you need to have a QR or barcode scanner to scan the code. Just click the link below and you will be directed to the system. Just put your school ID and password. The candidate's information will appear and just click the submit button. After submitting your vote, you will be directed to the result page. Just log out and the voting system is now just log out and the voting is finished.